Hello there. So this is gonna be our part 2 video, and the first one we did preparation Home Depot prop. We removed the head from the Home Depot bird, and this video I'm gonna show how to prepare body, skeleton body from 99-cent store. And as you remember, it was selling a couple years for $1.99, and I guess no more, because 99-cent store no longer in business. But maybe somebody else pick up this brand, whatever. But it's a yeah, $1.99 for basic stuff. But that stuff is very ugly, and that skull. And so what we're doing, and gonna be we are making this stuff together, and it's gonna be animated. We will talk and flap the wings, and maybe in the future we can do some more motion. Okay, but we're gonna start from preparing this skelly. First thing I'm doing, just removing this head, this skelly. Just it pops out. It's very easy. If you're gonna break it, don't worry, because we're gonna need to remove some parts too. Sorry. So remove that head. Okay, so we have this little piece over here. We don't need it. We need to remove it because we need to make a channel right here for our tension rod. And what I'm doing, you can cut with a knife. You have to be very careful. Okay, and you can use Sharpie, you can use a knife, you can cut it around. Okay, this way, and it will snap. Or safer way to do it, it's I don't like sharp objects too, because I've been through this many times. And that one, you just grab like one side, just twist it, it will snap. Make sure don't snap whole neck, just hold it somewhere here, just a little bit twist. It will snap one, and it's just like flies. So we remove that piece. Okay, we don't need it. Put it away. And also we can remove this sticker label. We don't need it. Side trash. So also we're gonna work on the chest area, because we're gonna mount two servos inside. And I found the easy way actually, and we can I just noticed we have glue. So front of the chest, front ribs glued together to the back ribs. It's just a front part of the chest, and it's like it has a little bit hot glue. You can see, you can pull them apart. You can use small flat screwdriver. Just be careful, don't poke yourself. Just move your fingers away, move your hand away, just stick between and start opening like that. It will see, it goes very easily. You can use a knife also to do it. Just be very careful with sharp, but I'm not recommend to use a knife. Go like that. Also you can use alcohol. You can like wipe or put like spray alcohol inside. It will dissolve the hot glue. So alcohol dissolving hot glue will come out much easier. So but this one is like not much glue inside, so you just pop this area, because don't worry about if it's something snaps or whatever. Because we're gonna glue it back with a hot glue, because we need to remove it, because we need access to the inside of the chest. Okay, so this part is open. Let's work on this one. I'll try to work with you with the camera. Okay, like that. You can use a knife to help you. Okay, just be very careful like that. So open it. Don't try to force it, because it will be has some guides here. You want to leave them on. If they snap, it's okay, but try to keep them on, because we need them to put them back. Okay, so this area is open like that. Here we go. So let me adjust my light. I think it's too bright. Hold on 1 second. I was recording last night, it was okay, but now it's daytime, it's a little bit bright here. Okay, right here. Let's see. Okay, it's much better. It's not that bright. Sorry. So chest is open. We can put aside. We're gonna install it when we finish. So save it. Okay. We have an open chest now, so we can work this area, and we have full access, and we can work this neck. So let's work on our neck first. Our goal is we have to mount that head to the neck. If you notice, neck, it's not a round one. It has like an oval shape, and like has those lines parallel. So we have to like basically make same mounting similar on this body. Easiest way I find out. So we're gonna use Dremel right now. We are gonna Dremel. They have a small portion here, so we need to extend it all the way to here. We need to remove that portion. So it's a top rib. I don't know how to call it. It's a spine. So we're gonna tap, and we're gonna like divide it in half right here. So we need to Dremel a little bit material out of it. Also we need to remove some material right here. Okay, so neck can fit, and also we need I would say maybe like a 1/4 inch distance down to have a space to put our screw in. So that's going to be our mounting screws, and we're going to add one more screw for stability. So let's Dremel out a little bit, and let's see how it's gonna look. And we're gonna try to mimic, copy that oval shape that we have here with our Dremel. What I'm using for Dremel. So this is gonna be our next bit. So let me put a right one. So this is like a sender attachment. Usually every Dremel comes with the same attachment. It's a little bit sand. It's not a disc, it's a cylinder, and it's nice attachment. If you don't have a Dremel tool, you should have it. It's very handy in a household and anything, but they have different brands now, but Dremel is a proven one. And they have so many attachments. So we attach this bit. So what we're doing here, we're gonna make that shape. And just remember, use your safety glasses, and because you'll see lots of dust flying, and you have a vacuum, you can run next to the vacuum, and also safety glasses, because some pieces may fly to your eyes. Every time using power tools or even hand tools, please wear your safety glasses. I'm gonna pause right now, and because we're gonna hear lots of noise, and we'll continue with our progress. Okay, as you can see, I remove some material here. I remove this portion. This portion becomes like a more round, and use your skull, measure it. Okay, it goes in. Looks okay, and but we need more deeper cut, so we need a space to put screws inside to hold it together. Okay, on both sides, and also we're gonna put extra screw in the back. Looks like our Frankenstein. Okay, that's good. So we need to just get a little bit more deeper. Go down. We're down here, but go down to get area deeper. Okay, so let's do a little bit deeper. I'm gonna use the Dremel right now in the camera, so you can see what I'm doing, and it go a little bit noisy, so sorry about that. just once again, what we're gonna do, we're gonna make a little bit deeper, so we have space for our screws. Okay, so we need to. I'm doing just maybe half of this bone. Okay, let's do it. Okay, let's remove this material. Okay, looks okay now. Looks good. Have enough space to put screws. See, like that. So now, second part, what we're doing. If you can see it, we need to make a cut right here to get for our rod and for our wire. You know what I'm thinking right now? I'm thinking about just drill the hole all the way through. Instead of removing material, we can just drill the hole and just put it through. Let me try it, okay? Let's see what happens. So before I was using this bead. It's like routing bead for drywall in our Dremel. So I just channel it and it basically removes this portion, and it's enough to put that tension rod and enough to put wire. I can show you right here. I have made one already. It's right here. So as you can see, so that channel, so enough to put both steel wire and wire through it. But now I'm thinking I can just make a hole, drill the hole with this, and it's much easier, because when we're using this routing bead, it's very messy. It's like that fibers from plastic flying everywhere, and it's a great drill bit, routing bit, but it's just like very messy. Okay, so let me put this aside. Let's see what size we're gonna use. Probably a 932. It's a 932 drill bit. Let me see. You know what? It may work. Let's try it. That's usually what happens when you do something, when you make something. So I want to drill from this end, because we are I don't know. That's a good idea or bad idea. I don't know. My drill bit is dull, so let me get another one. Okay, so I'll try to drill like parallel to the neck. We'll see. Okay. Let's clean this junk. So let's see how it goes. Let's try it first. Oh, maybe. So let's feed the wire first. And let's our tension rod. Huh. You know what? I like it. So what happened here? That's our movement. I see what happened here. I think we need to see, like I can't move my hand. It's like it's getting stuck right here, but it may work actually. Actually, it may work. Oh, I know. It's right here. I have to remove with Dremel this portion. Let's clean that one. Let's see. Okay, that's good. Actually, and we have enough more meat for our screws to hold it together. So that's cool. Actually, I like it more. It's much more cleaner. Okay. Yeah. See, neck is sitting all the way in. Okay, perfect. We're gonna leave it as is. I like it. Let me see. Okay. Okay, cool. So what I want to do now, what we're doing here, we're removing these two screws. And we're gonna make two pilot holes. So we're gonna keep this drill bit. I tell you which size we use it. Small one is 1/16. It's the smallest one I have. It's enough to make a pilot hole for these small screws. Also, we're gonna use the same one for our wings. And put your head like it's supposed to be. kind of like push it forward, so neck, whole head, push it forward, and see that, make sure it's straight, looking straight. Pilot hole, so you have to do like, you have to drill it just a little bit, maybe 1/4 inch. So basically just for this screw to grab the plastic, but we need that pilot hole, so it's not gonna split the plastic. So just small, 1/4 inch deep. It's enough, so we're not gonna damage the wire. Okay. Right here, check our movement. Yeah, it's good, it's working. Second hole, for second mount, screw right here on the side. Your just clean your drill bit. 1/4 inch deep. Now make sure your neck is down. Not too tight, because you can screw it, make sure it's good. Okay. When you pull the rod, that's our jaw more working. And one more, that extra, remember in the part 1 we keep one extra screw, because we need to put one on the back and the neck, so it will avoid that movement. Okay, otherwise your head will twist, I mean your head will go forward. You can do it on the left or right side, either way. So now we have enough meat. Just make sure when you pre-drill it, you're not going all the way through to damage that wire. So I'll go on the right side. Looks like we have more plastic here. So when you look in the back, it's on the right side. So maybe like a couple 16ths, basically same distance from the plastic right here. I'll show you. Yeah. Just pre-drill it. Oh. No, it didn't grab it. Grab all the way. Okay. Remove that material. Put screw number 3. Okay, so our head is ready, neck is ready, and this, I think we're gonna finish this video right now, and now I'm gonna show you assembly instructions, how we're gonna put servos. So that's part number 2 is finished. We prepare skeleton, and we're gonna put servos, part 3, and put front chest back, and we're gonna finish. Okay, so let's wait for part 3.